Hello students, today's topic is codominance, or we are discussing here about the allelic genes. Okay, codominance is another inheritance which do not follow the Mendel's law. It's before we explain about the incomplete dominance which do not follow the Mendel's law. Same as it is, codominance is also do not follow the Mendel's law. Or this is done by the allelic genes. Okay. So what is the allelic gene? First we explain what is allelic genes. Allelic genes means those genes which locate on the same loci. Means here those genes which locate on same loci is called allelic genes. Okay, is called allelic genes. This is a allelic gene. Okay, means those genes which loci on the same loci, those genes which locate on a same loci in homologous chromosome, in homologous chromosome. Okay, so in this look this thing with the help of one diagram. Suppose this is the we draw here one pair of the homologous chromosome. This is the pair of the homologous chromosome. Okay, this is the pair of the homologous chromosome. If allelic genes, suppose for one character, two genes are responsible. For one character, two allelic genes are responsible. You know, for one character, we already explained for one character. Okay, two alleles are responsible. Two alleles are responsible. Okay, for one character, suppose height of the plant means tall plant. Tallness of the plant is depend on the two alleles. This may be displays capital T small t, or tallness for the capital T and capital T. Means two alleles are responsible for one character. So these alleles, if these alleles are present in the same loci of the chromosome, so these are called the allelic genes. Okay, when allelic genes is present in the chromosome on the same loci, so this is called the allelic genes. This is the allelic genes. We can say these are the allelic genes. Okay, or those genes which do not present on the same loci, so that genes are called the non-allelic genes. These genes we discuss after the some topic. So today we discussing here. Suppose one gene is located this place and another gene is located this place. So this type of gene is called the, if genes are located on the different loci, so that type of genes is called the non-allelic genes. Okay, these are called the non-allelic gene. Okay, now we discuss the codominance. Okay, so in codominance we discuss the codominance. What is the codominance? Okay, so codominance is the another inheritance. Now we discuss the codominance. Okay, so codominance is the another inheritance which do not follow the Mendel's law. Okay, so codominance is a phenomena. Codominance is a phenomena in which two alleles distribute, or two alleles express equally. Okay, the phenomena in which two alleles express equally, that this is called the codominance. Understand here? When the phenomena, right, we write here the phenomenon in which two alleles express equally. The phenomena in which two alleles express equally called codominance. Codominance. Okay, understand here? When cross is made between the red and white cow, okay, red cow, when the cross is made between red cow and white cow, okay, for the red cow genotype is here capital R, for the for the white we take here small r and small r, okay. When we cross is made between them, okay, this is a parental generation, okay. So this place both are the homozygous, so take place capital R this place, from this place we take here a small r, okay. When the cross is made them, we got here capital R, small r, this is a F1 generation, but color of the cow is produced here roan color. Roan means the spotlight, means the cow, the offspring which is produced in a F1 generation, okay, the offspring which is produced in a F1 generation which have both color, means red color and white color, both mixing color. So this law, this codominance is not follow the Mendel's law, because according to Mendel's law, one of red color or white color, one character should be present in the F1 generator. But here no past character is present. Here only new character is present, which is a here roan color. Okay. When we self cross is made between the roan, so when we self cross is made between the roan, suppose this is a roan's genotype. So first we write here separately capital R and small r. This place again capital R and small r. So when we cross is made capital R to capital R, we got here capital R, and then when we cross is made capital R with small r, same as it is this place capital R, small r, and this place come here small r, small r. So in a F2 generation we obtain here, a red color cow, two are the roan color cows, and one is the pure white color cows. So in F1 generation of the ratio of the phenotypic and genotypic ratio, phenotypic ratio is here 1:2:1, 1:2:1, and genotypic ratio will be also 1:2:1, because one is a capital R, two are the capital R, small r, and one is a small r. So this is the example of the codominance, means the phenomena in which two alleles express together. So that phenomena is known as the codominance. Okay, clear here? Now, another example of the codominance is a AB blood group. AB blood group is another example of the codominance, and MN blood group also another example of the codominance. So in AB blood group, we know blood group A has a A antibody and B has a B antibodies. So when in AB blood group, both antigen of A blood group, antigen of B blood group, both comes together in a blood group AB. In AB blood group, antigen of A blood group, antigen of B blood group, both antigens comes together and express the character of the AB blood group. Okay, same as it is MN blood group, this type of blood group is present in human beings, or Mn types of blood group occur in a monkey. Okay, so same as it is in a Mn blood group which is found in a monkey. So in Mn blood group, antigen of the antibody is absent here in a Mn blood group. Antigen of the M and antigen of the M also comes together and express the blood group of the Mn. Okay, so these two examples are also the codominance. Okay.